Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing permission and safety. Contact your utility to schedule a shutdown and verify they will de-energize the line. Once confirmed, pull the local main breaker and apply lockout/tagout so nobody re-energizes the circuit. Make sure you have the exact replacement meter model, mounting hardware, and required sealing materials at hand. If you're not fully qualified, stop and call a licensed electrician. Changing a meter while live risks shock, fines, and equipment damage. With the utility-confirmed outage in place, document the old meter. Note the ID and reading and photograph wiring for later reference. Next, remove the meter housing screws and gently withdraw the meter from its socket. Move slowly to avoid tugging on incoming conductors. Inspect the socket and terminals for corrosion, overheating, or loose lugs. Clean contacts and tighten hardware to spec. If the ground or neutral looks compromised, replace those components before installing the new unit to ensure proper safety and operation. Install the replacement meter by seating it firmly into the socket in the correct orientation and fastening the housing per manufacturer torque specs. Then apply the utility seal. Coordinate restoration so the utility re-energizes the line while you or the technician observe. Verify the meter initializes, shows proper phase rotation, and records consumption without error codes. If something goes wrong, if it won't power up, misreads, or trips, de-energize. Recheck terminal tightness, neutral/ground integrity, and fuses. Then contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.